What's up, athletes? It's your boy Global Hotspot, and let's talk about calves. Those muscles at the back of your lower legs that seem to have a mind of their own. Are your calves stuck on pause, refusing to grow no matter how many reps you crank out? Listen up. The secret isn't just about grinding out more reps, it's about proper form, laser-focused intensity, and unwavering consistency. In this video, I'm going to break down the science of calf growth and equip you with the knowledge to transform those stubborn calves into powerful pillars of strength. We're diving deep into the best calf exercises for both men and women because everyone deserves sculpted calves. I'll show you how to fix weak or underdeveloped calves fast, so you can finally rock those shorts with confidence. We'll unlock the secrets of training frequency and rep ranges that are scientifically proven to stimulate muscle growth. And hold up, because I'm also exposing those common mistakes that are secretly sabotaging your calf gains. So, if you're ready to take your leg day to the next level and build calves that turn heads, smash that play button and let's unlock your true calf potential. Don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing fitness tips. Alright, let's break down the heavy hitters in the calf building game. First up, we have the classic standing calf raise. This exercise primarily targets the gastrocnemius, the larger of the two calf muscles that gives you that nice rounded shape. Now, form is key here. Stand shoulder width apart with your toes pointing forward. You can use a wall or a chair for balance. Rise up onto the balls of your feet, squeezing your calves at the top of the movement. Hold for a second to really feel the burn, and then lower back down with control. Don't rush the movement. Feel the stretch in your calves as you lower down. Next, we're hitting the seated calf raise. This exercise targets the soleus muscle, which lies beneath the gastrocnemius. Sit upright on a bench with your feet flat on the floor. Position a weight plate or dumbbells on your thighs, just above your knees. Lift your heels off the floor, contracting your calves. Again, hold for a second at the top and lower back down slowly. Now, for those who are ready to take it to the next level, we have the donkey calf raise. Find a platform or step and stand with your toes on the edge. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight. Have a partner sit on your lower back for resistance, or if you're flying solo, you can hold a dumbbell or weight plate close to your chest. Lower your heels towards the floor, feeling a deep stretch in your calves. Drive through the balls of your feet to raise back up, squeezing your calves at the top. Remember, quality over quantity always wins. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the entire range of motion. So, you've been putting in the work, but your calves are still lagging behind? Don't sweat it, we've got you covered. Here's how to unlock rapid calf growth and fix those stubborn calves. First off, we need to crank up the intensity. Your calves are tough cookies, so don't be afraid to challenge them. Incorporate advanced techniques like drop sets, supersets, and even negatives to push your calves to their limits. Drop sets involve performing an exercise to failure, then immediately reducing the weight and continuing for more reps. Supersets involve performing 2 calf exercises back-to-back with minimal rest in between. And negatives focus on the eccentric or lowering phase of the movement, where you lower the weight slowly and with control. Next, we're talking progressive overload. To keep those gains coming, you need to consistently challenge your muscles by increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. This signals to your body that it needs to adapt and grow stronger. Keep track of your workouts and aim to increase the difficulty in some way each session. Now let's talk angles. Hitting your calves from different angles ensures that you're stimulating all the muscle fibers, leading to more balanced and well-rounded development. Variety is key to keeping your calves guessing and growing. Chapter 3. Now let's dial in the optimal training frequency and rep range to maximize those calf gains. When it comes to frequency, I recommend training your calves 2 to 3 times per week. This allows for adequate recovery time while still providing enough stimulation for muscle growth. Remember, your calves are constantly engaged throughout the day, so it's important to listen to your body and adjust the frequency as needed. Now let's talk rep ranges. For building size and strength in your calves, I recommend sticking to a rep range of 12 to 15 reps per set. This rep range strikes a balance between stimulating muscle protein synthesis and creating enough metabolic stress to promote hypertrophy. As you get stronger, you can increase the weight or resistance to stay within that rep range. Remember, the key is to challenge yourself without sacrificing proper form. If you find yourself struggling to complete all the reps with good form, reduce the weight or resistance. On the other hand, if you're breezing through the reps, it's time to level up. Progressive overload is crucial for continuous growth. Don't be afraid to experiment with different rep ranges to see what works best for your body. The key is to find what challenges you and pushes you to your limits. Chapter 4. Let's expose those sneaky mistakes that are silently sabotaging your calf gains. First up, we have neglecting the negative phase. Controlling the eccentric or lowering phase of the movement is crucial for maximizing muscle damage and stimulating growth. Don't just let the weight drop back down. Lower it slowly and with control, feeling the stretch in your calves. Next, we have not using a full range of motion. This is a common mistake that robs you of precious gains. Make sure you're lowering your heels all the way down to get a full stretch in your calves, and then rising up onto the balls of your feet, squeezing your calves at the top. Partial reps equal partial results. Another mistake is not allowing enough recovery time. Remember, muscles grow when they rest, not when they're constantly being hammered. Give your calves at least 48 hours of rest between workouts to allow for optimal recovery and growth. Overtraining your calves can lead to plateaus and even injuries. Now let's talk about neglecting your tibialis anterior. The tibialis anterior is the muscle located on the front of your shin, and it plays a crucial role in ankle stability and balance. Strengthening your tibialis anterior can help prevent injuries and improve overall calf development. Incorporate exercises like tibialis raises into your routine to target this often neglected muscle. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your full calf potential and building those strong, defined calves you've always wanted. So there you have it, athletes. We've broken down the science, the strategies, and the secrets to building strong, defined calves. Remember, it's not about taking shortcuts or relying on magic pills, it's about hard work, dedication, and the right knowledge. Now it's time to put what you've learned into action. Head to the gym, crush those calf workouts, and watch your legs transform. Don't forget to listen to your body, fuel your body with the right nutrition, and stay consistent with your training. Now go out there and unlock your true calf potential.